staring at a blank page, wondering how to turn a flurry of project meetings and comments into a clear, concise document. Have you been there? For most of us, documentation isn't the fun part of a project. It's the time sink. It's the manual labor of taking dozens of meeting notes, chat threads, and scattered ideas, and trying to pull them into one coherent, up-to-date source of truth, whether that's a statement of work, a product brief, or an SOP. But what if the manual effort of documentation could be almost entirely eliminated? What if your project management platform could look at your work and write the initial draft for you? This is where ClickUp AI steps in. It transforms documentation from a time-consuming chore into an automated process that keeps all your project knowledge centralized, accurate, and instantly accessible. So how does it actually help? ClickUp AI uses its contextual awareness. It knows everything happening in your tasks, docs, and conversations to give you 3 major superpowers for documentation. First, instant content generation. Instead of drafting documents from scratch, ClickUp AI acts as your dedicated writing assistant. You can prompt it in a ClickUp doc to draft a product brief for the new feature based on the tasks in this list, or create an outline for a user guide on our new onboarding process. It pulls the necessary context from your tasks and knowledge base, generating a structured, professional document draft in seconds. It even helps with smaller details, like rewriting a complex section to simplify the language or changing the tone from casual to professional. Second, effortless summarization and updates. The biggest problem with docs is keeping them current. ClickUp AI solves this with its summarization tools. After a long meeting, the AI note-taker transcribes the call and automatically pulls out action items and key decisions. You can then use the summarize tool on an entire document, or even a long comment thread, to generate a brief summary for stakeholders who don't need to read every detail. For project managers, the Generate Project Update feature analyzes task activity across a space or folder to automatically draft a progress report or executive summary. No more spending an hour on Friday afternoons compiling status reports. AI does it for you instantly. Third, centralized knowledge and retrieval. ClickUp is designed to make docs the single source of truth for your projects. You can mark a doc as a wiki to signify it's the core knowledge base. Then, when a team member asks a question in a task comment or chat, ClickUp's AI can search across all your documents to provide an immediate, accurate answer. This means information isn't just documented. It's live and actively working to answer questions and keep your team aligned. Ultimately, ClickUp AI is designed to shift your team's focus from the administrative burden of documenting to the actual creative work of building and delivering. It's about leveraging the context of your entire workspace to build a project knowledge hub that writes itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.